Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I doing now? Well, I got the Hornet switched over. It's over on the side that had the Camaro originally, and the Camaro's over where the Hornet was, where I pulled the motor out. So I'm going to do the majority of the work over here. So one of the first things I wanted to do was the rear end. So I made a video, and I showed you me grinding off those end brackets and stuff like that. Now I got to proceed further from there. Just show you real quick on here. So here it is. Ground off those end mounting brackets and stuff like that because I'm going to get ready to shorten that one side, and I'm just going to clean it up and everything else. But anyway, what this video is about is I made a new friend today, a guy named Shelton. He lives up the road, and he's a concrete guy, and he happened to see the yellow car outside, and he had stopped by during the week just to see, who owns the yellow car, because he's into hot rods too. And so since I wasn't home, he happened to come by today or drive by and saw the garage was open, so he pulled in. So I met him, and he's like, "Oh, you got to come over to my property." And he's got an old Nova. He's got a Chevelle. He's got a 340 Dart. He's got the 340 Dart needs a restoration. He's got a lot of cars that needs restoration, and he bought the property that he lives on, and I guess there was a bunch of cars in the woods, and he's slowly been digging some of them out, but they're cars from like the 30s and stuff like that, and 30s and 40s, and a couple of cars from the 60s. He had a Nova station wagon too, which is kind of cool. You don't see those. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is I took a bunch of photos, so I'm going to add photos here, so you're going to see a slideshow for a little bit. Here you go. All right, so you just saw the slideshow of all the cars that were at Shelton's place, and he's got a bunch of hot rod stuff inside his garage. He's got a bunch of tractors. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So met a new friend today, so I'm happy I got to meet him, and I think him and I think alike, and I think it's going to be a pretty cool friendship. But anyway, he's got a lot of hot rod stuff in his garage too, so yeah, I think we can do some pretty neat stuff. That Nova is pretty sick, and yeah. But anyway, so I just thought I'd show you that. And since he's a concrete guy, we were talking because I want to put up another garage where I can actually put a lift in. So I need a concrete guy, and he was talking about the other barn that I have on the property and putting concrete down, inside there, and how to do all of that. So I got a funny feeling we're going to be working together. So that's kind of cool. Anyway, that's it. I just wanted to share that with you. Guys, thank you so much for subscribing. I want to do something with members, you know, and have perks for members and stuff like that. So if you think that's something you're interested in, you know, just chime in, let me know, because it's something I'm seriously thinking about doing to try to move the channel forward. Anyway, that's about it. All right, guys, have a great day. Have a great night. Keep wrenching.